way. Niggas roll that smoke, send them youngest, fucking bombs away. Cut her off cause she ain't fucking, in the bitch masquerade. I can say for rapping, hit a trap, over section 8. Know your nigga cap, I like your pictures, now he block my page. Ain't no left for nigga with his ass out, then that nigga play. Niggas up in scraps and waving blitz like this a damn parade. On the type of nigga I up my blick, but you know I spray. On the type she get a beat.
Follow that boy on God, real talk, real shit. What's up? Follow that boy. Man, what going on, Kaz family, Kaz members, man? We back, man. Hey, man, for today, you feel me? What I got stored for y'all? Oh shit, we finna hit a finna get my boys on right now. I'm actually at his crib right now. He finna pop up in the whip. We finna hit this little pool party going down to A. You know what the fuck going on. You go to any party in the A, all y'all boys know that shit don't end well. So hopefully we can get up out of there before that shit, you know, just feel me, turn wicked or whatever like that. And I'm probably gonna be cutting up through the city on the way to this this car meet we got going on later. Feel me? And then shit, that really finna be tonight. I gotta go to Target real quick. Gotta grab some essentials, you feel me? Some more black tees. If you watching my video, y'all know I be rocking the black tees, cause you feel me? That I'm a casual ass nigga. I don't like to do too much with the drip. You hear me? Niggas be doing too much of that drip. I don't really follow that shit, man. But I just want to get on the camera, man. Give y'all a motivational speech real quick. Y'all can do anything in life you put your mind to, man. Y'all niggas need to get to it. Come here, let me talk to y'all boys. Y'all need to put y'all mind to it, you feel me, bro? Don't let nobody get in the way of your cheese, man. That be y'all problem. Y'all be letting folks get away y'all cheese, man. Y'all need to block them up out your life. Bring good energy, good vibes, you hear me? And it's your boy M2K, and I'm going to catch y'all boys when we get to the Target. Or I might let my boy Yazan just record on the way there, you feel me? Whatever go, but hey, we got a new wave going on, me and my brother. If y'all know J2K, Jabron, me and my brother, we got a new wave going. It's called the Eat. That's how you gonna hit that bitch. You gonna get your arm like that. You gonna be like, and that gonna be that wave. I think that boy Yazan coming out right now. We gonna show you that bit. If you've seen the last couple vlogs, you've seen that bit in the video. Y'all probably wondering what the fuck that is. I'm just letting y'all know what that is. That bit called the Eat. We at Yazan crib right now. That boy popping out. 218. And then we finna be on the way to the damn Target real quick, and then I'm gonna record that for y'all. You know, since I've been on this YouTube shit, kind of weird walking around with a camera. I really gotta get used to that, walking around with a camera in public, you feel me? Shit like that, but I'm gonna get used to that shit. I need y'all to let me know what type of videos y'all want. I know we got this Smash Your Pass video coming soon, but I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe if y'all want that. That's what I need. And if y'all want to see me cutting up in that scat, man, y'all need to like, comment, subscribe so I can go ahead and cop that before all the V8s go extinct, man. This our family, this our channel. We gonna rock out, you hear me? That boy is on pushing up. Where your camera at, fool? Oh. What you wearing to the pool party again?
I got shorts under.
Oh. Yeah. What you gotta say to the camera, bruh?
What's up? What's up, man? What's up, chat?
I ain't glad. So, yeah, I might have him record the way there, but if not, then you feel me? Well, my boy Amin just popped out the cut. Ain't seen this boy in a minute. Just caught this nigga walking and shit. Look at this nigga. Lane Ganny.
Yo. Hell no.
Yeah. What's going on, boy?
Good, man.
They caught that boy walking, just chilling, you feel me? You see me on some new shit now, you feel me?
What's up, man?
Hey, shout out to Graham for them boys real quick.
Man, 78 Mo, man. That's 78 TH Mo. Come on.
Y'all go tap in, man. Like I said, y'all boys, we on the way to the Target right now. I gotta pick up a few essentials, but after that, we're gonna head to the car wash and let y'all see that, and then on the way to where we going. Man, so we just got to turn. Wait, turn. We just got to the Target, man. I gotta pick up some deodorant and some body wash, you feel me? I gotta put y'all down on the best brand, man. Y'all be popping out, man. Y'all be wearing them tees, man. Like your armpits be white as hell showing, you feel me? Like the deodorant be showing them out. So if you want to avoid that, go ahead and go with the spray deodorant. That gonna clear all that up. You feel me? It don't matter which one you get. You get you a Dove right here.
I be using the white one. That one on God. I be using.
Look, if you want you a look, come here, come close to the price so they can see it. It's only $7.99, bro. If you ain't got $7, y'all boy is weird. Hello? Hello? Yo. Phone, my boy saying a lot of just called me. We're finna see what he's saying. Yo.
Come on, bro.
Record that.
Here's the leopard man.
Oh man, the body wash I'm finna need, man. Let me right here. Let me get y'all boys ready. Oh, Drew trying to call me too.
What the hell you on? You at work?
I'm recording a video. You on the video right now?
What the fuck going YouTube?
Yeah, boy, go tap my boy Sammy Lotto on all
I know
platforms.
what the fuck going on. There's a whole lot of cash shit going on, man. Y'all fuck niggas stay down. Fuck niggas get around, you heard?
Y'all heard what he said,
I
man.
said, what's the move, bro? Where you at?
I'm at Target right now and shit. They said they got this little pool party function. I'm gonna pop out there. I'm gonna record a little bit at this pool party. And then I'm probably finna have this car meet tonight. Nigga, I'm not even at the crib, twin. The pool party started at 3. I'm going from where I'm at right now, straight there. Record that, bro. You a bad cameraman.
No,
the camera.
no. It's cause I thought like.
Bro, put the camera on your.
I thought I
put the camera on you so they can see a bad cameraman, bro. This nigga is the worst cameraman, bro. Nigga over there recording the electronics. What's up? Shit, man. Gotta get the boat ready for the night. You know why the cameraman just sits around, so you might as well put him to use. My boy Drew in there, man.
Yo.
Yo, what's going on, bro?
Shout out to Graham.
Nah, I can't even do that. I gotta change that shit.
Babyface Drew, man. I'm gonna tap into that nigga.
What is it?
Nah. Don't worry, I'm gonna have it linked in the description. So, you know, see it, y'all boys gonna tap in with my boo.
I gotta change that shit.
Scribbity. Hey, wax on, wax off, gang. Wax on, wax
Like,
off.
Hey, if any of y'all real niggas out there need 2 hoes to follow y'all around, man, y'all just get these 2 niggas.
Alright, let me get my camera back then.
Wait, this is your camera?
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm gonna clip that. Alright, you two, man. Huh? We just got to the Addy that my boy Trail sent me, right? Nigga talking about it's a pool party, shit like that. Bro. This shit, if this is it, bro, this is the worst fucking pool party of all year, nigga. I'm about to go ahead and show y'all the pool and see what that shit looking like. I done drove around for about 15 minutes trying to find that hoe. And when I find the pool, bro, I'm about to show y'all what this hoe looking like. I'm about to get pissed off in a minute, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go ahead and show y'all what this bitch look like. I locked the door, so don't open and close it. I'm about to show y'all what the pool looks like. Twin. Don't piss me off, bro. There's nobody in the vicinity of the pool. I'm about to get mad, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to get heated, bro.
Yeah.
Show reaction, bro.
Hey, this shit trash. Oh my god.
If this is the correct address, bro, I'm waiting for my boy Fat Boy Trail to pull up. This the right Addy? Twin, I'm never making a move with you again on me. So, man, so the location was actually changed, so now we're on the way to the new Addy. You see where we at? We in the city with it, you feel me? So we about to head here and pray that my car did not get broken into, y'all boys. Let's just sit here and pray. Y'all know how they get all wicked in the city, you feel me? So, we about 15 minutes away.
Look right there.
We're gonna see right now. quite beautiful today. I'm about to get off in like 2 miles, and we should be right about there. Here, they got, what is that? What is that over there? Huh? That is.
This is the Atlanta driver right here, bro. Everybody switching lanes, everybody doing anything. Hey, rev that bit, rev that home.
Yeah, look at the city, y'all, boy. Show them out the window, man. Fucking city, man. Y'all ain't been to the city, y'all need to pop out, man. RT about to try to come swooping. RT behind us. I know he gonna try to catch up. I hear him, bro. I hear that nigga literally. But this the worst part about Atlanta, man. It's fucking traffic, man. See that, man? This fucking traffic be crazy, bro. Hello, this is the our location, my nigga Trail right here. Little fat boy, I'm about to see this thing. Record him.
YouTube, bro.
What are you talking, bro? That be that, man.
Oh, but you good,
Let me see that bit, twin. Shout yourself out, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like MDM_Trail. You know what I'm saying? The freshest big nigga you ever seen. Feel me? Got my dope boy, black boy, white tee and all, man. I don't know what the fuck I can say this song, but
might be the newest cause member. We gotta see, man. We gotta see, man. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all boys know, man. But let's see what this party hitting on, man. The first addy he sent me, dead move. Let's see about this one, bruh. Alright, y'all boys, man. So we at the function, man. Another dead move by my nigga Trail, man. Y'all lock in with him. If y'all want the deadest moves, y'all niggas tap in with Twin.
damn, I ain't know this shit gonna be dead. I went to high school with the nigga. Everybody had dead moves sometimes. Smart had one too. We went to that party.
Big, what party?
That party we went to when we had my camera and shit.
Where?
So we went to that damn club, nigga.
That bit was not dead, bro. We just had no section. That bit was jumping,
So
though.
we was on the wall holding that bitch.
Rate the party 1 through 10, boy. Yeah, let me show y'all a bit, man.
You said I was doing the cookout.
Shit crazy, bro. Huh?
You know all the moves.
Ain't got no moves, man. I only got the meat, I told you.
Everybody gonna take that, bro. They might, hold on, I want my shit. They gonna drink them on.
What you trying to do?
Oh, you trying to tell her secret?
Alright, you got to run for it. Say you're a YouTuber.
I know I am. I'm up and coming. They talking about passing the bottle and shit. That's what we might gotta do, man. Oh, you got YouTube? Hell yeah. What got that? What your name is, Pun? What your name is? Nas Touch. Nas Touch. Hey, y'all follow that boy on God. Real talk. Real shit. Stop, follow that boy. Y'all tap. You see where this nigga at, bro? Nigga living that life. On God. Y'all go ahead and tap in, man. My nigga Zon right here. We outside, man. Hey, what's up? We finna take a shot or what, man?
Tell that motherfucker, you gonna put that bitch on the counter?
They talking about passing the bottle.
Hey, Black, you gotta put this on the look. You gotta put a little fuzz screen on that bitch. You feel me?
YouTube shit.
Hey, let's lock in, cause shit.
On me, y'all boy and follow. Shout out. Oh, let me put everything. Oh, Marcel's.tournament. Y'all boys gonna tap in, man. Breezy more on the YouTube, man. Hey, right here, 1 mil on TikTok. Y'all boy go tap in. Touch your shit out, Twin. What's your shit?
I'm gonna tap in A2 vlogs, man. I'm gonna tap in A2 vlogs for 3 S's, man. I'm gonna tap in. She dropped 3 videos, triple upload. I'm gonna tap in. I got one on the way. She's out here.
I need y'all boys to go like, comment, and subscribe on that boys videos, man. And we up here. Man. Hey, disclaimer, man. If you're not 21 plus, please don't.
That shit, blur that shit out.
Ain't blurring shit, boy. I mean, my boy Sammy Lotto just pulled up, man.
Y'all niggas know what the fuck going, man. I already told y'all niggas. Bitch niggas better fuck around. Fuck nigga get 100 rounds.
Y'all go like, comment, subscribe on the YouTube. Sammy Lotto, man. We outside today. About to head to a car meet up there.
Hey, look, I got top bending with Trail though.
Trail ain't on anything, yo.
I ain't slime though. You feel me? I fought with them.
Man, we just got to the BP, man. Y'all nigga lit, but this shit low key fire. You got them whips outside today, man. This bitch swing. As y'all can see, man, the BP is swinging. We got all type of whips outside, man. Let's go ahead and get back in the vlog, man. My little nigga back there. Damn, we done walked the wrong way. I'm so damn drunk. You? Shit, me twin. Fuck that. Trying to get to the train. Man, we done got to the meet. It bitch swing. I gotta even drink though. Or you wanted to wait to get cookout?
Yeah, I was gonna wait.
I bet we finna wait then. Come on. I get we finna wait till we go ahead get the cookout. Yo, I'm finna go ahead and show y'all that meat real quick, man. Heavy. And they got hot. God damn. Well, them niggas tripping, boy. I ain't gonna lie, this black shit hard, boy. Where that be, man? Where that be, man? Get that big on. You host. Oh, right here comes shrimp. Them boy going crazy today. And they got that fucking track over there. That bitch. Oh, damn! Push up. I almost lost my niggas, man. My niggas ain't turning up with me. I think I'm gonna still lit from the party though. Damn, I'm still lit from the party.
I got the track in.
Huh? Nah, the track tough. I seen that bit. You know they got a track over here, right?
Yeah, this nigga with the white girl. Fuck that shit. You're right there.
You know what I'm saying? That track tough. fucked up. No, we had to be with it, man. OZ in the cut. Got this M4 right here. This shit kind of tough though.
Good twin. Mark, do you?
One more time. Listen to that, man. So we just outside. I just had to grab me water real quick. You see the EE going viral, man. EE going viral, man.
Get your